When I walked through the door in there, I just said, wow, this is amazing. Can't believe this is here.
I enjoy meeting all the people. All of our guests come from all over the world, so it's a really, really interesting afternoon when I come here.
There's a number of vehicles in here that are either one of a kind or one of the very few left in existence. So it's really a great place with some unique vehicles.
We had to repurpose these industrial buildings, and what better thing to do than to fill it full of the Staley collection. Our benefactor George Staley assisted us with giving us cars for the first year. He told us, if you can make a go of this for 5 years, I'll make sure you're here forever. And we have only grown since.
Way bigger than you'd ever imagine, you know, especially from the front door. It looks like a little tiny building, and it just goes on and on and on.
The cars in the museum evoke many memories for people, either their own or association with their grandfathers or their dads or something or other, but they can relate to the cars.
Being a guide here is great. You're around all these beautiful machines and you get to meet some great people.
We have people who are interested in antiques, we have car clubs, we have school groups, we have people who are interested in bringing the family. Generations of a family will come here and they will reminisce about the cars that they see. A lot of family memories are made in this building.